The next box in the scheme, in the fixed architecture, is the input EQ and delay. This can be bypassed by the use of a single button when you use grouping, which will be covered later. But for now, let's cover the basic input EQ and delay. Note, there is another box here for when the EQ and delay is bypassed that you can still add a fixed input delay. This also can be changed to imperial or feet by right-clicking on the arrows, pressing imperial, and it should go to feet. And then instituting a 100-foot delay as an example. Let's go to input EQ and delay. This is what it looks like. Channel 1 is in blue, channel 2 is in red. It's very simple to insert a filter. This is a raised cosine filter. And we can insert it, we can move it anywhere on the screen. We can change the Q. We can enter the specific data down here or enable or disable it through the button or through the actual box underneath the filter. The next filter over is an asymmetric filter. This is capable of doing lots of things as well as straight wall type of filtering. We have a capability of laying over filter after filter to come up with a multitude of different items. Then we have a shelving filter and another shelving filter as well, if however we want to do it. And we have something called boundary filter. So I can take these all out. I can actually remove all or remove all but this. This is a boundary filter that was added per the EAW requirements. And we can, again, change the slope here and obviously change frequency as well. Additionally, we can mute from this screen by pressing this button. We can change the gain. At the top, it also shows an absolute gain. This is everything excluding the amplifier's output knobs or the relation of groups and internal levels. At the top of the screen, you can see that this particular amplifier is assigned to 3 different groups, hence the Advanced Group 1, Advanced Group 2, and Advanced Group 3. At the bottom, we can add delay here inside the EQ, changing it to feet. And under visibility, we can actually look at channel 2. So, if we put a filter in channel 2, for instance, this filter, we can then go back to channel 1 and actually see the filter coming up on the single screen.